As we are working with global brands, we cannot afford to compromise with quality at all. As we decided to create the Trueline studio, we wanted everything absolutely world-class, and then sustainability was our priority as well. Acoustics are one of the key areas that we wanted to address and did extensive research to come up with finest quality of acoustics. So there will be a total of 7 layers comprising of insulation, strand boards, aluminum frames, isolation boards, UPVC profile, foam, and finally the fabric. The total noise reduction coefficient that we'll achieve will be at par with the industry standards. The insulation that we'll use will be thermally bonded, which is green chemical-free sustainable product. Strand boards and isolation boards are fire retardant and waterproof. The core material used in these boards is pine wood, which releases even greater emissions, and they are the safest in the world. The fabric, which goes on chroma, will be acoustically transparent, reducing sound reverb and light reflection. The top fabric is fire retardant and acoustically transparent, which ensures that light is evenly distributed.